What's up, guys? What's up? Hot out there today, you know. We're there again with the next video. Just come back from the store. You don't know me see breadfruit in the store, so I have to pick up a breadfruit. So me there had the day before food trucking start, you know. So it kind of prep day today where we go through and make sure everything alright on the food truck for tomorrow. Well, you don't know me in the store a while ago. I'm gonna see a breadfruit, so right here, so me have to grab it. You see it, so feel say this for lunch today. So me have some pork seasoned up, so I'm gonna do some roast breadfruit and jerk pork. So stay tuned for the video. So right now I'll light up the grill. This is better than buying Popeyes and KFC. Trust me. Yeah, roasting that breadfruit with some jerk pork I may have already seasoned up. It's better than buying Popeyes and KFC chicken, you know. Yeah. Trust me. I taste them food. Jamaican KFC is the best. But I taste them food a couple times and trust me, it never ready yet. So sometimes when you can make your own authentic food, don't know me as a countryman. Me come from the country. So when you can make authentic food for yourself, are the best thing. You go into the store, me see a couple, me grab one. It's not hard for them. I go there all day, I prep my stuff on the food truck. I see the food truck in, you see it. So just put on this and make it go on. You don't have to touch it. Just watch it every now and then. Watch it. Yeah guys, so not because we're there at Jamaica, we can't do it street food style. Check this out. Gotta port this. You know you have the skin. My favorite part that. And then we have 2 pieces right now. So I'm gonna just clean up the grill and then we throw them on it. Yeah. And of course with the breadfruit. Oh, my granny teach me, my mother teach me. You know? Put a little eggs in it, so that part also I'm gonna take it out. So that's my teaching. That's how me learn, you know. Yeah. That's my teaching. Take out. See? So I'm gonna deal with it. So I'm just make 1 X right here. And that's it. Of course, a 1 grill we have slapped today. 1 grill. Put the breadfruit down here, so on coal. And then I put the pork up there, so. Nothing normal, man. See that? Nothing normal. So breadfruit, jerk pork. You don't get nothing better than that. Ay. Look at that. Look, ooh. This is what we're looking for. Yeah? This is what we are looking for. Yeah, man. See that? Nice. Pepper seed right there, sir. Well seasoned. Yeah, man. And of course, you don't know. Ooh, yeah. Hot, man. Hot. See that? Everything intact, man. Everything intact. See it? Everything intact. Don't afraid to put your hand in the grill. If you can't do that, you're not cook. If you can get bone left, right and center, you know. Yes, I. Okay guys, this is how we're looking. Breadfruit almost ready. For sure. Not sure about the pork, you know. Pork needs some more. I would have said soak. So I'm gonna just scare up them grill here from underneath the fire. From over the fire, I should say. So I'm gonna pull it up a bit, so. Yep, away from the fire. The breadfruit can stay there, so yeah, but yeah. That is it. Yep. So time I don't know when I breadfruit hit what. Hot no blows on the skirt. Wee ay ay. Can't even peel it the right way. Okay, you don't know you have to peel the breadfruit like an orange, you know. Like how you, but not today. Too hot. Cannot go around, so it's too hot. No, man, you're hot, man. Yeah. So, too hot, man. Blouse and skirt. Hot. Hot. Yo. No, sir. We take a break. We take a time out. It's too hot, man. It's too hot. Catch me up. Yeah. 5. One healthy blow. One healthy. Peel it. Too hot, man. Yeah, hot. Still hot. Still hot. Still hot. No, sir. No, sir. No find this, sir. Oh, man. Yeah, I know I had someone. This one, I could. A couple slices. Couple slices. Let's go. Take him out back, you know. Yeah? Look at this. Done, you know? Ready and soft. Yeah, hold on. Ready and soft. Ready and soft. Like some little thin slice, you know. Yeah, man. That's good. I don't know more than that. I don't know more than that. I don't know me have the sauce, yeah. Look at that. More than that. See that? Jerk pork and roast breadfruit. What's this? Breadfruit. Look at the sauce. The wicked, man. This wicked, man. I like. I like the skin in them. Check it. I like the skin. Scoop up some sauce. I mean, that's all I can say. Quick and easy. Don't take me no time. Breadfruit, some jerk pork, and have season up. No time that take me. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Until next time, one love. What's this? Breadfruit. Look at the sauce. The wicked, man. This wicked, man. I like. I like the skin in them. Check it. I like the skin. Scoop up some sauce. I mean, that's all I can say. Quick and easy. Don't take me no time. Breadfruit, some jerk pork, and have season up. No time that take me. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Until next time, one love. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna turn on the generator and go and prep up something, you know. Look, it's a bonus. Yeah, man, bonus. So I go on. Yeah, man, bonus. So I go home. Yeah. Bonus.